There's no turning back now.
Finally, turn your bodies away from my walls and into the dead center of the room.
Center of death. Different.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding.
Yeah, I'm down, right. Oh. It's been years since I read this.
Oh, really?
Oh yes, and no flash pictures, please.
It's been a little bit since I did because of the whole living one way. I thought it was to just stand there if they walk up, just stand there until they stop it. Said eventually when the line doesn't move, they'll realize, oh, we need to stop that.
Yeah. Only ghost of that. As marvel brothers of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known. They have all retired from the world. 999 happy homes, but there's room for 1,000 many volunteers. Should decide to join us, final arrangements may be made.
I ain't glad we can make her final arrangements again.
Oh, great.
We choose to stay here.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. You got about the Wiggles, you know what I mean?
The what?
How Wiggles, you know what I mean?
Get somebody together, whether you have somebody with you.
Oh, yeah. Forgot about that.
Like always, it's that first step that kills me.
Yeah.
That's my problem with going on an escalator. I'm afraid I won't be able to step off, or I'm moving the walkway. I'm afraid I won't be able to step off.
They can't most. They can scare me.
Falling is too right.
Tranquility. It's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine.
Your happy horse every no sympathetic like You're assembling for eyes. You're assembling
They're cool. Yeah. How they do that?
How those disappear too.
Good Lord. Vertical center. That's a big job.
Do what?
I'm Vertical center. That's where I've heard the most. ghost. The ghost. The kitties.
Materialize and begin to
There's a little matter I
Oh yeah, here it is. We got any? Yes, look right beside you. There's a fat boy. He stole my head. Oh, he came back. He stole my head, he came back, so.